Hi guys, welcome to Ace Tech, and today's video I'll be making a short tutorial on how to make any object levitate in the picture. So first you need PixArt. Head into your Play Store or App Store for the Apple users. Then download PixArt. Don't open it yet. Then you need your background, like you need to snap your background first and your subject in it. So you can see this first picture. I don't have the subject and object in it, so everything is here right now, and you can see that has shadows over here. So now go back to your PixArt. I've opened it in the background. This is the picture. This is the first picture. Then you click add photos. You add it. Now this part is very tricky, so you need to zoom out. I'm using the S Pen that comes with the Samsung Note 9 to make this more faster. Zoom out like that. You're good to go. Yes. Now you click the eraser tool up here. Then you can adjust the hardness and the size. So basically I want to eliminate the shadows of my power bank, so I need to eliminate the shadows first. So you can just clean the background, like to make everything blend together. Go back a little bit. Don't be afraid to go back, because we want a clean picture. So you zoom in a little bit, You can use your hand, but I'm using the pen, which make it much easier and faster for me. I like to increase the hardness here. I'm just giving it some fine tuning, some irregularities in the pictures. You won't really notice this, but I'm just trying to make the picture a little bit perfect. Alright, now that we're done, you can click yes. Then you can add various filters to it or effects. You can make it look beautiful. Let me add HDR or Dodger, or I can make I can focus on it. Oh, what's going on? And boom. And that's all. Then make sure you save it to your gallery. And you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. See you guys next time.